নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, আমার আঙিনায় অনুষ্ঠান নিয়ে আমি চলে এসেছি। আমি বলবো না, আমরা। আমি তনু, আর আমার সঙ্গে রয়েছে সুমন দা। অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল রোজই আসছি, এখন আমরা দুজন প্রায়ই, আপনারা দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন। তো এরকমই রোজই চলে আসি, যেরকম বিশিষ্ট অতিথি শিল্পীকে সঙ্গে নিয়ে। আজকেও চলে এসেছি বিশিষ্ট অতিথি শিল্পী, অবশ্যই নৃত্যশিল্পী। তো তার সঙ্গে পরিচয় করাবো, কিন্তু তার আগে দর্শক বন্ধুদের বলবো যে আমাদের সঙ্গে আপনারা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি জয়েন করে নিন। আর কেমন লাগছে অবশ্যই আপনারা কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন। ভালো লাগলে লাইক করবেন, শেয়ার করবেন। তো আজকে সুমনদাকে দিয়েই আমরা স্টার্ট করাই, কারণ মাঝখানে সুমনদা 2-3 দিন আসতে পারেননি, আমাদের এখানে লকডাউন ছিল। তো অনেকেই সুমনদার খোঁজ করছিল। তো কাজী আর আমি তো রোজই অনুষ্ঠান সূচনা করি, আজকে একটু সুমনদাই সূচনা করুক, সুমনদাই আজকে পরিচয় করিয়ে দিই আমাদের অতিথি শিল্পীর সাথে।
তো আজকে আমাকে একটু হিন্দি এবং ইংলিশ মিশিয়ে বলতে হবে, কারণ আমাদের যিনি অতিথি শিল্পী আছেন তিনি সুদূর হায়দ্রাবাদ থেকে, অন্ধ্রপ্রদেশ থেকে। তো সেই জন্য ওনার কারণে হিন্দিতেই বলছি প্রথমে, ইংলিশে। গুড ইভিনিং লেডিজ অ্যান্ড জেন্টলম্যান, টুডে উই হ্যাভ অ্যামং আওয়ারসেলস a very special guest, and whatever, and we have to introduce her. Is so many. She is a Kalabhushan, Dr. Surabhi Lakshmi Sarada. She is an international Kuchipudi dancer, staff artist, Minister of Information and Broadcasting Ministry, Government of India. She is a guru, she is a performer, choreographer of the Surabhi Academy, and director also. She is a singer, she is an actress and an anchor. So many categories she has. So we introduce you to her. Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
Say,
Namaste, Suman.
So
Namaste,
please,
madam. You
so आज आपको मिलकर हमारे पास साथ पाकर हमको बहुत खुशी हो रही है। तो
मुझे भी बहुत खुशी हो रहे हैं
we are very
आपसे मिलके।
honored. We are very honored to have a guest like you.
Thank you.
So please tell us about yourselves. How you came into this field of dance? आप कैसे
Yeah.
आए?
Yeah. At the age of 6 years, I have entered into learning Bharatanatyam, and then after 4 years of completion of my Bharatanatyam, I have entered into Kuchipudi dance because there is no guru in that place where I am residing at that time. So after completing my Kuchipudi dance, I have done my BSc from Usmania University, Koti Women's College, and then I am continuing. Meanwhile, I am continuing my performances and other things. I used to participate in so many competitions like Telugu literature competitions and singing and dancing, and so many competitions I used to perform. And then later, I have completed my after completing my degree with distinction, and then entered into my dance field because of my friends and lecturers encouraged me a lot to do dance more than education. So everybody is saying that you are looking so beautiful on stage and your abhinayam and everything is enthralling the audience. So why don't you continue with dance rather than doing MSc or something else? But my ambition is to do a doctorate in dance, or doctorate, like everybody should call me as a doctor. So that is my passion. So I have continued my MA dance, and I got scholarship from Central University, and then continued my journey of dance. Meanwhile, I have entered into my two fields, like singing field, that is folk singing field of Telugu. So entered into Doordarshan and sung so many songs in different stages also. Then as an anchor, I have selected for Doordarshan, Minister of Information Broadcasting, Government of India, and later entered into my radio jockey field. As a singer, as a theatre artist, I have been graded by the All India Radio and Doordarshan together. So in my regular education and all, I like to write so many things in Telugu. I'm very passionate of my mother tongue. So I used to write so many essays, and many essays have been published into so many papers, and papers and magazines also, government magazines like the Yojana, Information Broadcasting Ministry. It is run by that ministry, and then Andhra Pradesh magazine also. This is by Andhra Pradesh government is publishing that magazine. So likewise, I have continued my journey of all cultural fields of Andhra Pradesh. So I'm very much interested to do all the things along with my dance career and doing my performances and choreography. And I have done Dubai and Nepal performances recently. And I'm very much interested to perform in Bangladesh also. That is a good opportunity. But because of this pandemic situation, I could not do that performance. So this is the journey. Like, choreographed so many ballets also. I sung and I danced. I choreographed as a guru and also conducted so many international music and dance festivals. Even Sumanji also enthralled the audience in Hyderabad, and his great performance everybody has appreciated. That day also, you remember, I think, Sumanji.
Yes, of
So
course.
it's a good opportunity for me to share all my memories with you. So on my journey of my cultural journey also is going on like this by God's grace.
So you all have come to know that she is specialized in so many number of things, dance, singing, and she's a choreographer, she's a jockey. So one person and so many qualities you can well understand. And I also had the privilege to attend her program, and it was a wonderful program in Hyderabad, and we still have the wonderful memories with us. So,
Yeah,
so madam,
না,
could you
আমি আমি একটু ইন্টারাপ্ট করি সুমনদাকে। ইন্টারাপ্ট করে একটু দর্শক বন্ধুদের উদ্দেশ্যে বলি যে আমাদের সঙ্গে আজকে যে দিদি রয়েছেন সুরভিদি, আমি একটু বাংলায় বলে দিই কারণ অনেকেই আমাদের সাথে একটু এজেড মানুষেরাও থাকেন, তো সেক্ষেত্রে তাদের একটু সুবিধা হবে। তো সেই অর্থে আমি একটু বাংলায় বলে দিই, আজকে আমাদের সাথে সুরভিদি রয়েছেন এবং সুরভিদি একাধারে অ্যাক্ট্রেস, অ্যাঙ্কার, ডান্সার তো অবশ্যই, সিঙ্গার, কোরিওগ্রাফার, মানে কতগুলো বলবো আর।
ডান্সে স্পেশালাইজেশন করতে শি ইজ আ ডক্টরেট
ডক্টর, হ্যাঁ,
ইন কুচিপুড়ি ডান্স।
তো মানে মানে প্রচুর ট্যালেন্ট।
yeah, yeah, yeah.
তো
It is
সেই কারণে
dance.
দর্শক বন্ধুদের উদ্দেশ্যে বলবো যে আপনাদের যদি কোনো রকম কোনো জিজ্ঞাসা থাকে
Any
বিশেষ
question
করে
regarding Kuchipudi dance, you can
কুচিপুড়ি ডান্স
always
নিয়ে,
ask her and she will answer your question.
আপনারা কিন্তু কমেন্টসে সেই কোয়েশ্চেন করতে পারেন, আমরা দিদির কাছে পৌঁছে দেব এবং দিদি কিন্তু আপনাদের সরাসরি সেই উত্তর দিয়ে দেবেন। আর কমেন্টস অলরেডি এসে গেছে, ওই জন্য দর্শক বন্ধুদের জানাবো অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ। আপনারা এইভাবেই আমাদের সাথে জয়েন করুন। আর আমি অলরেডি আমাদের দর্শক বন্ধুরা দিদির একটা পারফরমেন্সের জন্য ওয়েট করছেন। তো আমরা একটু প্রথমেই একটা পারফরমেন্স দিয়ে শুরু করি,
Yes.
তারপরে আসবো দিদির কাছ থেকে বিভিন্ন ধরনের কথা শুনবো, আলোচনা করব, অভিজ্ঞতা তো শুনবোই অবশ্যই। তো তার আগে একটা ছোট্ট করে পারফরমেন্স, সুমনদা।
So, madam, first let us see your performance of Kuchipudi.
Okay.
Okay, let us show it to all our audiences and then we are coming back.
Yeah,
So-
yeah, definitely. Let me describe about the Kuchipudi dance which I'm going to perform. It is Javli. I like to perform Javli because it's Abhinayam based. So Abhinayam is nothing but the expression of the face and innate soul. So I would like to perform today Pattabhiramaya's Javli.
So you are going to perform live? You are going to perform live now?
Yeah, yeah, I'm performing
Okay.
live.
Okay, okay.
ওকে,
Arshi?
তো দিদি একটু লাইভ পারফর্ম এখন করবেন। তো লাইভ পারফর্ম করার জন্য তো সামান্য একটু প্রিপারেশন নিতেই হয়, তো সেই প্রিপারেশন দিদি নিক, ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আমরা একটু দর্শক বন্ধুদের সাথে গল্প করে নিই।
Okay.
Dance
Okay.
performance.
So in the between, let us show your performance that you have sent us.
Yes, yes.
We can
Sure.
we can show them. So first, let us see her stage performance, which she has sent us to us. So first, let us see that.
Yeah.
তো আমরা একটা দিদির আগে শুধু ভিডিও পাঠিয়েছেন, তার মধ্যে থেকে একটা পারফরমেন্স দেখে নিয়ে আমরা দিদির লাইভ পারফরমেন্সে চলে আসবো।
సురభి శారద గారి శిష్య బృందం నృత్యార్చన గావించేందుకు విచ్చేశారు. వారికి సాదర స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాం. వారిని ప్రదర్శన ప్రారంభించవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం.
నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 అమృతాభినయ సర్వేష జగదీశ్వర సద్గుణభూష రుద్రేశ్వర హిమ శైలేశ సకల రూప హరధర కోశ ఓం హర హర శంభో హర హర ఓం హర హర శంభో హర హర నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 కరణకంఠ శివరూపస్య అగణిత గుణగణ హనుమస్య సృష్టి స్థితి లయ బ్రహ్మస్య లయకారక హర రుద్రస్య ఓం హర హర శంభో హర హర ఓం హర హర శంభో హర హర నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 ధిమి ధిమి దరికిత నటరాజ తద్ధిమి తద్ధిమి శ్రిత భోజ తకిట తకిట ధిమి సుర తేజ తద్ధిమి తద్ధిమి సుర పూజ ఓం హర హర శంభో హర హర ఓం హర హర శంభో హర హర నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 హిమగిరిలో జ్వలవర రూప జగదీశ్వర శివ హర రూప సాంబ సదా శివ చిద్రూప హర హర శివ కర సత్రూప ఓం హర హర శంభో హర హర ఓం హర హర శంభో హర హర నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ 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 నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ రుద్రాయ
जनन तनन तनन तो जनन जनन तनन तनन तो जनन जनन तनन तनन जनन जनन तनन तनन तो जनन जनन तनन तनन तो जनन जनन तनन तनन गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तारी तै रतो गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तारी तै रतो गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तारी तै रतो गीत धुनि कुतक तान गावे तक तल तै तै तान गावे तक तल तै तै तक तना धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम अज तो गीत धुनि कुतक धीम तुम्हारी लीला पदुमनाभ तुम्हारी लीला क्या कहो मैं सावरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो तदीं तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीं तिरना तदीं तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीं तिरना तानि तों तत गत नरि ततान नर तानधीं अलरि गलरि तत गता तार तत गमां तानि तत गतां तार दीं 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 तकतन अलरि तों 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 तकतन तनि अलरि गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तारी तै तै रतो गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तारी तै रतो मारी तै रतो मारी तै रतो गीत धुनि कुतक धीम निकुतक धीम निकुतक धीम
আমরা ফিরে এলাম দিদির পারফরমেন্স দেখতে। এবার আমরা দেখে নেবো দিদির একটা লাইভ পারফরমেন্স।
So, madam, what was this performance all about, and what are you going to perform now?
It's all about what you have seen is that is Shiva Parvati Nrityam, and it's a dance of Shiva and Parvati, and Vishnu and Shiva Tattva, both together.
Okay.
Vaishnavite cult and Saivite cult all together. In the month of November, we used to perform a Koti Deepotsavam. Koti Deepotsavam is nothing but the Abhishekam of honoring Abhishekam to worshipping of Lord Shiva. So that time we used to do only on Shiva Stuti. So everything will be on the basis of like Lord Shiva, and we are worshipping him, and Parvati, Ganesh all together. So all the days, all the 21 days, 1 month, we are performing the same thing, like same in the sense on Lord Shiva only, whatever the dance we are doing. So this was my choreography with all fusion songs. So in this, we have done Bharatanatyam as well as Kuchipudi all together.
Okay. Now let us see your live performance. at
Yes,
first?
yes.
Oh,
This is the Javadi in Puri Kalyani Ragam and Aditalam, written by Pattabhiramaya.
okay. So let
This
us start the performance.
is Telugu only.
Okay.
I will show you Khandita Nayaka. You know Khandita Nayaka. Nayaka is always saying that to her beloved that you are saying all lies. You told me that you will give my jhumkis, earrings to me, and you told that you will come early, but you are not doing all these things. I don't want to listen your words. You are a liar. She's always calling her beloved person, that is either husband or lover.
Okay.
This is the whole concept of what I am doing with my expressions and all. So in Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam, in our repertoire, we used to do Javali and Padams at the end of the program, like end of the total Arangatra. So Javali I am doing now.
Okay. Now let us enjoy her performance.
Yes.
পাচ্ছে আমাদের কোনো একটা টেকনিক্যাল প্রবলেম হচ্ছে বোধহয় so madam, are you getting the sound?
Sound nahi aa raha.
Okay, you can play from there. Is it possible?
Your voice is also unable to listen.
Can you play from your end? Can you play from your end? I
Your
think there
voice
is
is
a,
also not audible.
can you play from your end? Is it possible?
Yes, yes,
Okay, okay.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Definitely. This sound is okay, sir? Sumanji?
Discover many connections and amazing prices. So, strike me on Oka Talks with Donald Jessica.
She's now pissed off.
And in every week, find the right tag for every moment.
This is the Javali.
What it is all about?
I told her beloved is cheating her. Her beloved is cheating her, and she's she's just scolding her beloved.
Okay.
Your words are all lies, and you are a liar. You told that you will give the jumkis, you will give the mukera, the snow spin, and everything. But you're not doing that. And you told me that you will come early, but you have not turned up. So all your words are lies. So I don't want to talk to you. Please don't come into my way. Let me alone. Leave me. So all these things is her conversation in the song. This is all the lyrics. What I have done just now.
So this is a folk dance of Andhra Pradesh.
Javali, Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi repertoire. Just
Okay.
now I told you to explain. This is the Abhinayam based. So end of the repertoire, we used to do the Abhinayam based dance performance, that is Javali and Padam.
Okay.
This is all about the Abhinayam of the heroine. So a lover. So 8 Ashtavidha Nayika will be performed on stage at the end of the repertoire of Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam. This is classical only, not folk.
Okay. So you have combined Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. So are these two dance forms are same?
No, Sumanji. Listen, this is Kuchipudi or Bharatanatyam. There is no difference at all. But the thing is, when I am giving lip movement, so it seems that it is Kuchipudi. So when I am not giving my lip movement like this, so when the audio track is going on and then I am doing without lip movement, that is Bharatanatyam style. And when I am giving the lip movement, that is Kuchipudi style. Kuchipudi style is like a wavy movement style, and it's a dance drama style, and many more things are involved in Kuchipudi. But whereas in Bharatanatyam, it's highly stylized form and it's a purely rustic form. Like we cannot change the pattern of the Bharatanatyam. Like this is the Bharatanatyam means everybody should do the same thing. But whereas in Kuchipudi, the wavy movement, the lyrical value and the abhinayam have their own manodharma. So accordingly, we'll move on to Kuchipudi dances. Bharatanatyam is very fixed pattern. So this is the difference between Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. I want to tell you, this is the Kuchipudi dance. What I am doing, this is the movement tie. This is Kuchipudi dance. Whereas in Bharatanatyam, in Kuchipudi, this is Kuchipudi. So there is little difference. Aramandi is same, and also Hastas are same, but the movement, flexible movement in Kuchipudi, but very strict and perfect movement in Bharatanatyam. This is the basic difference between the Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam style of dances, classical dances of southern region.
Okay, madam, please
Okay,
have your
Sumanji,
seat.
shall I have my seat and then talk?
Yes, of course, yeah, of course.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
দর্শক বন্ধুদের কাছে আসি যে দিদি আগে একটু দিদির নিজের জায়গায় চলে আসুক, না হলে দিদির অডিওটাও ভালো পরিষ্কার আসছিল না। তো তারপরে আমরা দিদির সাথে আরো আলোচনা করব এবং সুরভির কাছ থেকে আবারও বলবো দর্শক বন্ধুদের উদ্দেশ্যে যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে অবশ্যই প্রশ্ন করতেই পারেন। একটু কমেন্টস গুলোতে আসি আমি।
দীপ
Sorry.
দত্ত আকাশ
হ্যাঁ।
বাংলাদেশ থেকে লিখেছেন, শুভকামনা রইল। দীপের জন্য অনেক ধন্যবাদ। তুমি তো প্রত্যেক দিনই আমাদের সাথে থাকো, কমেন্টস করো, এইভাবে আমাদের সাথে থাকো, কমেন্টস করো। আর তোমার যদি নাচের কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে দিদির উদ্দেশ্যে, কুচিপুডি নাচের সম্বন্ধে বা ভারতনাট্যম সম্বন্ধে, তাহলে কমেন্টস করলেই আমরা দিদিকে সেই প্রশ্ন তুলে ধরবো। অনিমেষ ঘরা লিখেছেন থ্যাঙ্কস। অ্যানি সাহা, দুজনকে খুব সুন্দর লাগছে। থ্যাংক ইউ আপনাকেও অনিমেষ ঘরা। আর অ্যানি সাহাকে বলি যে আপনি তো মাসিমা রোজই থাকেন, দেখেন, এবং এইভাবেই আপনি আমাদের সাথে থাকুন, আশীর্বাদ করুন যেন আমরা এই প্রোগ্রামটা আরো এগিয়ে নিয়ে যেতে পারি। উনি আরো লিখেছেন দারুণ দারুণ। আবার লিখেছেন তনু, তোমার মনে হয় একটু গরম জল খাওয়া উচিত। হ্যাঁ দিদি, আজকে শরীরটা একটু খারাপ, তো কাশি হচ্ছে। তো আপনি তো মাসিমা, আপনি তো অবশ্যই আমাদের এইরকম সাজেশন দেবেন। তো দিদি গরম জল কিছুক্ষণ আগে খেয়েছেন, এখন একটু বেটার আছেন। So madam, many people have commented about, so you can use your earphone also if it is possible.
It's okay.
Actually,
Sumanji,
we will get a
hear your voice. I'm able to hear yours.
okay.
Take it.
So actually in Kolkata, that Kuchipudi dance is not so popular like Bharatanatyam. So what
Yes.
do you think the exact reason for this?
Yes, I will tell you. Bharatanatyam is more popularized because many literary people are there in Bharatanatyam. Like many dancers are used to learn Bharatanatyam from southern region. Like Madras state is there. When after language Telugu and then Tamil and Kannada states have been formed. So that time Bharatanatyam is more popularized than Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi actually dance drama type. Many people should gather together and they'll do the characters and they will like it's a theater art. It's Natya Dharmi.
Okay.
Natyam used to perform in Kuchipudi style. That is drama proper, and Nrutta and Nrutya. All together will be involved in Kuchipudi dance drama. Bhagavata Mela Natakas. It's very popularized in Tamil Nadu also. So it is based on Telugu only. All Telugu people enjoy, and most of the lyrics are in Telugu. Most will be popularized in Telugu language. Whereas in Bharatanatyam, many people are doing like Nruttam pattern, that is Tillana type of things. So Tillana need not explain about the thing what they are doing. But whereas in Kuchipudi style, everything will be in Telugu language. So many people have not popularized that because of the language, and also they are unliterate, they are अनपढ़ है वो, तो इसकी वजह से वो बाहर नहीं गए और वो पॉपुलराइज नहीं किया है, तो ऐसा हो गया कुचिपुड़ी का। मगर कुचिपुड़ी का फ्लेवर जो है वो है हमारा मनोधर्म के साथ होती है, जो हमारे मन में उद्भव होती है वही हम प्रदर्शन करते हैं। वो अभिनय इतना रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, इसमें कुछ फॉर्मूलास नहीं है, मगर फ्लेक्सिबल बॉडी मूवमेंट्स और अभिनय ऑफ देयर ओन वर्ल्ड, ऑफ देयर ओन इनेट अभिनय they can do it. There is no restriction at all. But whereas in Bharatanatyam, some restrictions are there. This is the thing, nothing else. But many people like Radha Reddy, Raja Reddy have been popularized the Kuchipudi dance, and Swapna Sundari has done Kuchipudi. And nowadays, Kuchipudi also popularized throughout the world.
So you told about Raja Reddy and Radha Reddy. So did you
Yes.
have the opportunity of to learn from them, or did you share a stage with them?
I have attended some seminars of Padma Bhushan, Radha Reddy, Raja Reddy, and in front of Padma Vibhushan, Yamini Krishnamurthy also, I have done few performances, and she has appreciated a lot that when you are doing Sharada dance on stage, even I want to come and dance with you. So this is the statement what she told in front of everybody, and she has written in my book also about that. Your dance is excellent, and even I inspired myself that I want to do the dance along with you. But on stage, I could not do right now because of my age. So this is the appreciation I received from Padma Vibhushan, Yamini Krishnamurthy, and Padma Bhushan Radha Reddy, Raja Reddy told me that you're looking so beautiful on stage while you're doing dance. Even I want to see your dance continuously. So this is the thing, how he appreciated me in the International Kuchipudi Dance Festival at Ravindra Bharati in Hyderabad. So these blessings, it's naturally, it's great blessings and great appreciations from them.
Okay. Now it's time to see another performance. Let us see your performance one more that you have sent, your stage performances, your videos.
Yeah.
Let us show it to our audience. So our next performance.
আমরা দেখে নেবো আমাদের নেক্সট পারফরমেন্স দিদির করা কোরিওগ্রাফি এবং দিদির নিজের পারফরমেন্স আমরা কিছু দিদি পাঠিয়েছেন, আমরা সেটা দেখে নিই, দিদির কাছে রিটার্ন করছি।
सौराष्ट्रे सोमनाथं च
wonderful performance we saw. So, madam, can you please tell what is this all about? We saw Mohiniyattam dances also.
This is also the same thing which I have done earlier, 2018 that was, and this is 2017. So this is also about the Lord Shiva in Kotidipotsavam. It's a big festival. Every year we used to celebrate that festival, and many popular dancers and famous dancers used to perform. They'll give only 10 minutes of time to perform with their students. So our Surabhi Academy of Performing Arts students have participated in this particular event every year. So for the last 4 years, I'm continuously doing this program on Lord Shiva in the month of November, Kartika Masa.
So we saw also many dancers in the Mohiniyattam costume. So
Yeah,
you
Mohiniyattam costumes.
Mohiniyattam.
Yes, why I have used that Mohiniyattam costumes is because it looks so nice at that night. So that's why I choose that particular costume to do the slow and waving movement. So my students have done that one, and almost steps are same, but very few steps they didn't do in Mohiniyattam style of dance. So this is the thing. It's a different kind of thing, and colorful at night and looking gorgeous, and also this is a fusion kind of dance. So what I have done is purely Kuchipudi dance, the costume and everything. What I wore at that time is Kuchipudi dance costume.
So it was also wonderful. Actually, the classical dances of South India are very much popular compared to
Yeah.
the folk dances of South India. So, what are the folk dances of South India? Can you please tell?
There are so many folk dances in South India, like tribal dances and Garaga Nrutyam. Like there are Kolatam Nrutyam with the sticks. Like even in Gujarat also, it is very popularized dance form, that is Garba dance. That is saying Pinnal Kol dance in Tamil Nadu, and Kolatam dance in Andhra Pradesh, and Garba dance in Gujarat. So same, almost many kinds of folk dances are similar to all over India, but the names are different, and sometimes the costumes are different, and sometimes the tunings of songs are different. That's it. But main theme, what we are doing is a spirituality we have, and all together we'll do with a great inspiration and full of joy and everything. The total concept of the folk dance is the same, but according to their geographical condition and their language and their cultivation, mainly depending upon what they wore at that time. If it is cool places, and they will wear the very thick kind of costumes, and if it is very hot places, and they will wear the thin, very light cotton type of costumes like that.
হ্যাঁ, তো সুমনদা আমরা একটু ইন্টারাপ্ট করি। দিদির তো অনেকগুলো ডান্স পারফরমেন্স আমরা দেখলাম। আমরা জানি যে দিদি একাধারে সিঙ্গার, ডান্সার। তো আমরা যদি দিদির একটা গান এবার একটু শুনি, আমার দর্শক বন্ধুরা ওয়েট করছে দিদির গান শোনার জন্য।
So, madam, can you you are also a singer? We just saw.
Yeah.
So, can you please tell what song you have specialized with, and our audiences will be love to
Yes.
hear a song from you.
I'm a graded artist in All India Radio Doordarshan, I said before. So I used to sing Telangana folk songs. Very popularized Telangana folk songs are Nalgonda district song I'm going to sing now. It is in Telugu only. That accent is like little bit different, like Telangana accent it is. Almost the words we are using is also belongs to the Telangana style of Telugu. So not like Andhra style of Telugu. So I will sing both the songs, like Telangana song as well as Andhra song together in Telugu. That is folk song only.
can start.
చీరల్ కవలెనా రైకల్ కవలెనా చీరల్ కవలెనా రైకల్ కవలెనా నీకేం కవలనే నల్లగొండ సంతలోన నీకేం కవలనే నల్లగొండ సంతలోన చీరల్ నకొత్తురా రైకల్ నకొత్తురా చీరల్ నకొత్తురా రైకల్ నకొత్తురా నువ్వే కవలిరో రంగమత్త కొడుకో నువ్వే కవలిరో రంగమత్త కొడుకో గాజుల్ కవలెనా కడియాల్ కవలెనా గాజుల్ కవలెనా కడియాల్ కవలెనా నీకేం కవలనే నక్రి కల్లు సంతలోన నీకేం కవలనే నక్రి కల్లు సంతలోన గాజుల్ నకొత్తురా కడియాల్ నకొత్తురా గాజుల్ నకొత్తురా కడియాల్ నకొత్తురా నువ్వే కవలిరో రంగమత్త కొడుకో నువ్వే కవలిరో రంగమత్త కొడుకో. It is like this in Telangana. That is Nalgonda district, Telangana folk. And I will sing now Andhra folk, Andhra Pradesh folk. బుల్లిమళ్ళ సీర గట్టి గజ్జలు పైకేగా గట్టి ఉన్నవాళ్ళ పిల్లనొస్తీరో ఓరోరి మామ ఉన్నవాళ్ళ పిల్లనొస్తీరో ఉల్లిమళ్ళ సీర గట్టి గజ్జలు పైకేగా గట్టి ఉన్నవాళ్ళ పిల్లనొస్తీరో ఓరోరి మామ ఉన్నవాళ్ళ పిల్లనొస్తీరో ఉన్నవాళ్ళ పిల్లనంటే కన్ను గీటి రమ్మంటావు ఉన్నవాళ్ళ పిల్లనంటే కన్ను గీటి రమ్మంటావు కంటి బాసలు నాకు వద్దురా ఓరోరి మామ కంటి బాసలు నాకు వద్దురా ఉల్లి మళ్ళ చీర గట్టి గజ్జలు పైకేగా గట్టి ఉన్నవాళ్ళ పిల్లనొస్తీరో ఓరోరి మామ ఉన్నవాళ్ళ పిల్లనొస్తీరో.
Beautiful. It was so much beautiful. So, what is the difference between this Telangana and this Telugu?
Yeah,
Andhra.
Telugu accent is different. Like even in Bengali also, according to your like south, north, east, west, like that, in the same language, the accent will be different. Did you find it out, Sumanji, in
Yes.
language also, Bengali?
Yes, Bengali. Bangladesh people also speak Bengali, but their accent is different.
Different. This same thing will be happen in Andhra also, Andhra and Telangana people.
So, from where your specialization was from Andhra or from Telangana?
Telangana.
Okay. So, can you mention your gurus from where you learned, under whom you were trained?
Bharatanatyam from Padmaja Vijaya from Narsaraopeta, Guntur district, that is Andhra Pradesh. And after that, I learned Kuchipudi, Bharatakala Prapunna, Dr. Korada Narsimha Rao Garu is world best dancer awardee from Germany. So I learned from him. And then later, I have done my MA dance, and Dr. Jonalgada Anuradha, Dr. Aruna Bhikshu, and Dr. PSR Apparao Garu, Dr. Kala Krishna, and many more. I have under them, and I have learned so many things from them in PG. Then continued with the PhD also from Telugu University, Potti Sriramulu Telugu University, that is comparative studies in folk and classical dances, especially with special reference to Angika, Vachika, Aharya, Satvika Abhinayas.
So it was wonderful, and we have seen that in Kuchipudi dance there are many different, very difficult some movements about on the top of a handi or the plate. So at what level can we learn this after learning?
Yeah. Very nice question. Actually, what we do is in Bharatanatyam or in Kuchipudi, any sort of classical dance, we used to do first Kautvam, then afterwards Shabdam, afterwards Jatiswaram. All these things, like we have some repertoire. Like one by one, we will include all the difficulties of the items, difficulties of the lyrics and the nutta part and abhinayam part, everything. So first we do Kautvam and then Jatiswaram, then Shabdam. Then afterwards we used to learn so many Shabdas, and then we enter into the Varnam in Bharatanatyam, or in Kuchipudi we used to learn this Balagopala Tarangam. Tarangam will be on plate. So almost each Tarangam will be on the worshipping of Lord Krishna, written by Narayana Tirtha. We used to do on a plate, and we put one chambu on my kalash, on my head, and some people will wear hold the lights, deepas, and then that's it. So technically everybody will do with plate and kalash and then lamps, everything. It looks so attractive. In that we have Nrutta part, Abhinayam part, as well as some technicalities on plate. This is the thing is describing about the Lord Krishna in Tarangam. So I have done in SVBC, that is Sri Venkateswara Bhakti Channel, TTD Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam people invited me for Nadadi Rajanam program. It's one of the prestigious and very popularized platform. By God's grace, Lord Venkateswara's blessings, continuously 3 times I have done on this platform, like Bhakti TV Koti Deepotsavam also. The same 2 very prestigious and very popularized stages, and very renowned people used to do, and professional people used to do the performances on these 2 platforms. This is the thing, Sumanji, that is you can see in my performance also. I have done with pot and plate together. On pot, my students have performed, and on plate, myself and another student have performed. Please watch.
I would like to share Viswajit Ghosh. He is watching from Europe, Austria, and he has commented. He is a musician, and he has commented, "Wow, very nice performance." Thank you, sir. You are watching, and if you have any question regarding Kuchipudi dance or anything, we will place it before Madam. Now it's time to watch her next performance. So let us see her next performance.
Yeah, please.
स्वागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण इक स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदनैक 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 स्वागतं कृष्ण कृष्ण सुलभ सुपुष्पगन्धकलभ भोगदाप्त सुलभ सुपुष्पगन्धकलभ भोगदाप्त सुलभ सुपुष्पगन्धकलभ भोगदाप्त सुलभ सुपुष्पगन्धकलभ कस्तूरि तिलक महिपा मम कान्त मन्द गोपकन्द स्वागतं कृष्ण भोगधाप्त सुलभ सुपुष्पगन्धकलभ कस्तूरि तिलक महिपा मम कान्त मन्द गोपकन्द स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण 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 मुष्टिकासुर चाणूर मल्ल मल्ल विशारद मधुसूदन मुष्टिकासुर चाणूर मल्ल मल्ल विशारद मधुसूदन मुष्टिकासुर चाणूर मल्ल मल्ल विशारद कुवलय पीठ मद्दन काळिग नर्तन गोकुल रक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देव मर्दन काळिग नर्तन गोकुल रक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देव शिष्ट पाल संकल्प कल्प कल्प शतकोटि असम पराभव शिष्ट पाल संकल्प कल्प कल्प शतकोटि असम पराभव धीर मुनि जन विहार मदन सुकुमार दैत्य संहार देव धीर मुनि जन विहार मदन सुकुमार दैत्य संहार देव मधुर मधुर हृदि सागस सागस ब्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित मधुर मधुर हृदि सागस सागस ब्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित सा तब गरि पगरि सगस सरिय पद सप्त गरि पगरि सगस ससरि ग पद सस तप गरि पगरि सगस सरि ग पग पद स तब गरि पगरि सगस तति पगदं सा तब गरि पगरि सगस तति पगदं सा तब गरि पगरि सगस तगदरि कुकुंदण गिड तगधि 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 स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदन स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण
আমরা কিছুটা
We
পোর্শন
have
দেখলাম।
a performance also. Kathakali with Kuchipudi.
Okay.
We have
Yeah.
fusion
So,
performance.
what is this story all about? What is this?
This is a story all about Lord Krishna, how he is very naughty, like what he has done, what kind of activities he has done, all these things. This is all about Lord Krishna only. That would
So
be,
so your portion was of Yashoda. Your portion was of Yashoda and Krishna.
yeah, both in dance. What we do Natya-dharmi as well as Loka-dharmi. We'll follow both. What is Natya-dharmi is we ourselves will be creating the characters like Lord Krishna and Yashoda and Gopika. All the characters we will do ourselves. That is a very particular reason, like very popularized these art forms like classical dances, Kuchipudi or Bharatanatyam, both together. We ourselves are describing Krishna as well as Yashoda as well as Gopika, all characters involved in Daman, involved in the particular lyrics of the song.
So why did you introduce Kathakali in this? So what did he depict?
Yes. Why I introduced is in fusion dances, many people are doing so many experiments. Even I did so many experiments with the fusion kind of music. I have done with my group in Koti Depot. So just now you have seen that 2018 and 2017 both mixed with Western also in Lord Shiva dances. In this particular one, it's like a Jugalbandi type of thing. Like we can see both the performances on stage at a time with their own classicity. Like if Kuchipudi dancers are doing their Kuchipudi dance, they will perform their classic type of like particular mudras, particular bhavas and everything. Likewise, the Kathakali people will also do their own practice on stage at a time with the same lyrics and with the same kind of music. So, but here we have deviated the thing. Like I used my own Telugu kind of music and completely southern region of music. Complete music I have used for my performance, and he has used his performance with the, his own Kathakali style, with the chandra and all other instruments which are using for Kathakali classical style of dance of Kerala. So you can see the music of Kuchipudi dance as well as the Kathakali dance at a time with the different costumes and different kind of mudras and performances. You can watch. It's very Kalamandalam Prasad has done along with me. It's a great opportunity for me. International Kathak Festival in Odisha I did.
Didi, Kuchipudi or Kathakali is based on only mythology, like Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, Puran based.
Is it based
Yeah.
only on mythology?
Is it based on mythology only? Kuchipudi dance is based on only
It's based on
mythology.
mythology only. It's based on mythology. Actually, it's a spiritual kind of dance. Classical dance is a spiritual kind of dance. We ourselves in Sodashopachara pujas, like 16 kind of pujas, we are worshipping our god, Hindu god. So that's why dance is one among them, among 16 kind of worshippings. So it's a very spiritual dance. Whatever you take in Ramlila dance, in Manipuri, in Kathak also, we used to do the Lord Krishna's dance. And also in Odissi also we do Lord Krishna, Jayadeva Ashtapadi, very popularized ones. Mangalacharan, and in Bharatanatyam, in Kathakali. Kathakali, we do so many stories in Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bhagavata, so many stories we used to perform in Kathakali dance also, even Mohiniyattam also. Likewise, total spiritual country. Our country is total spiritual country. So whatever the dance we are doing, it is only pertaining to Jivatma Paramatma unison. So we are Jivatma and he is Paramatma. So that's why we worship our God, our Hindu God, Lord Rama, Krishna, Balaji, whoever it is, Parvati, whoever it is, all the gods and goddesses, we want to unite with them by doing dance, music, and doing playing instruments and all. This is Jivatma, Paramatma unison, nothing else. So we are all blessed. All the artists are blessed by God. I feel very proud of myself that I'm a classical dancer and I'm worshipping God regularly with my performance and my practice and teaching to my students. It's a wonderful opportunity. It's a God's gift for me, and also your viewers and my students and my teachers' blessings, and also my viewers' blessings. Like Sumanji is a great friend to me. Like for the last 4 years, we used to touch with each other artistically. And by doing so many performances in Hyderabad, and I'm very glad if you invite me to Kolkata and do my performance, and I'm very much interested to do, as well as Bangladesh also. Rustum ji also invited me, but some reasons I am unable to make that time. So if any opportunity will arise, definitely an artist is always ready to invite the viewers applause. So nothing else she wants or he wants.
So now in this situation, in this pandemic situation, so what is you have a project. You have worked on a project.
Yes, I have done so many projects in this pandemic situation, and I received so many applause from different channels also. That is TV9 and my local channels and YouTube channels, and many channels has been transmitted my programs. So that is Corona concept along with my daughter. That time no student is available, so everybody is quarantined. So lockdown has continued. So that time I have initiated by myself that I have to give the message through my performance, through my dance. So I did along with my daughter, Sri Harshita. She is a singer as well as a dancer. She was helped me a lot to complete this project, and we have done within 5 days, and the concept and practice and everything. We did with our Kuchipudi practice dancers, and received so much of applause, many viewership and everything. So you can see in my YouTube channel, Surabhi Sarada. Surabhi Sarada is my YouTube channel, and many videos and many interviews which I have done during this period. So you can watch in this. Please subscribe also this channel. And if you want to see my website also, www.srisurabhiacademy.com. This is my website address, and that is my YouTube channel name.
So are you also providing online classes in this pandemic
Yes,
situation?
I am providing online classes and music also, music and instruments and Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi online classes, and music. My daughter is teaching to everyone. She's a good singer basically, and after that, along with me, she learned so many dance forms and dance items.
So previously also you have organized so many festivals, but now
Yes.
now everything is stopped. So how can
Yes.
you? What is your future planning for this? So how will
Yeah,
you?
my plan is yes, I understood your question, Sumanji. So I want to continue with my next project in the month of December. If God blessed us, if Corona pandemic situation will evaporate from our India, so definitely I will do my program in the month of December. And meanwhile, I have done my online projects. You know very well that recently also on Corona concept, I have done one program. So in drawing and poetry, music, and dance in four different art styles. I have so many 10 countries have participated in that particular festival. That is concept on Corona concept 2020. It is so that is also international online project I have done till now. And also with my daughter and two videos I have done. One is precautions of corona, how to very careful about not to attack corona to us. And then the second one is how the warriors stopped that corona to enter into our India, to spread over all over the India. That is police and doctors and scientists and farmers all together have controlled the corona. They are the warriors. So this is everybody should generously give their money for Prime Minister Relief Fund and Chief Minister Relief Fund. This kind of message I have given in my second video. So I used all my surrounding people, surrounding children at that time. Everybody is at home. So everybody is interested to participate for the great job. So I did these two videos, and also I continued with my work in Song and Drama Division, Minister of Information Broadcasting, to do the videos about Corona and other precautions and Atmanirbharta of Bharat, all these videos.
So you are managing so many things at a time. So how is it possible for you? You are
This is I like to do dance, and I want to practice my dance. It's a kind of happiness it gives. So that's why nowadays I'm doing with a dance therapy technique. Dance therapy is dance for everyone, dance for health. So this is my slogan. Everybody should do dance. When they do dance, they have their eternal bliss. The body, mind, and soul all together will be in one plane, in harmony. So that's why they'll get the happy hormones. The happy hormones, when it is secreted in our body, we will be very happy and stress-free, anxiety-free, and when sound mind and sound body naturally.
So
this is the
we
dance
are
therapeutic.
almost at the end of our life today. So what message you want to give to the youngsters who are
Youngsters,
dancers?
yes, youngsters and the dancers, everybody should learn first. Everybody should be educated themselves, and then afterwards, at least one art everyone should learn. The best option is dance only, because it's a complete art. So singing will be there, and literature will be there, as well as the body, mind, and soul all together work together. So it's a like of therapy. So I always suggest everybody that you learn dance, you teach dance, you do dance, enjoy your life in such a way that everybody should inspired by yourself.
Okay. So we are almost at the end of our program today. So I hope you enjoyed today. So what are your feelings? How do you feel today to come
Yeah,
in?
I'm very happy to meet you people, because this is the first time that in an international platform I've done this online kind of interview. And before that, ICANN Wellness Center also, they have also done about the dance therapy, complete dance therapy technique and everything. This is the second live show with you people. And Sumanji, I know you very well, and about ma'am I don't know, but she's also very interestingly listening all these things, and she's speaking Bengali, I think.
Yes.
But very nice to see you, ma'am.
She
It's
is also
great
a Kathak dancer. She is also a classical dancer.
Oh, very nice to see you, ma'am. So I'm
Thank
very
you, ma'am.
happy. In between you two people, one is folk dancer, great folk dancer, Sumanji, internationally famous dancer, another famous dancer, Kathak dancer, and myself, Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi dancer. All together, we have done a wonderful job today, and I hope that everybody has enjoyed, and it's a great opportunity. I always thanks to you people as well as my God, Lord Nataraja.
Okay. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
joining us today. We are always
Yeah.
grateful to you for to have a guest like you. So we say goodbye and good night to all our audiences and you also. So we
We'll
will
take
end up and watching your performance only. Your one last performance we will end up. And now we say goodbye to you and our
yeah
audience.
much, Madam and
Goodbye
Suraj.
and good
Goodbye.
night.
Goodbye and good
Good night.
night. Thank you very much.
দর্শক বন্ধুদের কাছ থেকেও বিদায় নেবো আজকের মতন। কাল আবার দেখা হবে ঠিক সন্ধ্যে 7টায় আমাদের প্রতিভা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল অনলাইন কম্পিটিশনের রেজাল্ট নিয়ে। তো যেহেতু আমাদের রেজাল্টের ডেট ক্রমশ এগিয়ে আসছে এবং টপ 5 টপ 10 সবটাই অ্যানাউন্স করতে হচ্ছে, তার জন্য আগামীকাল থেকে আপ টু 17ই নভেম্বর অবধি আমাদের কিন্তু আমার আঙিনায় কিছুদিনের জন্য আমরা বন্ধ রাখছি। যারা আমাদের রোজ দর্শক বন্ধুরা আমার আঙিনায় আমাদের সাথে জয়েন করেন তাদের কাছে আমরা এই জন্য একটু ক্ষমা চেয়ে নিচ্ছি। আফটার 17th সেপ্টেম্বর 17 তারিখের পর থেকে কিন্তু অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল যেরকম হয় আবারও আমরা চলে আসবো আমার আঙিনায় অনুষ্ঠান নিয়ে ঠিক রাত 9টায় ভারতীয় টাইমে এবং বাংলাদেশ টাইমে ঠিক রাত 9:30টায়। আর কালকে থেকে আমাদের সাথে আপনারা কাইন্ডলি যারা আমার আঙিনায় জয়েন করেন তাদেরকে একটু রিকোয়েস্ট করব আপনারা সন্ধ্যে 7টা থেকে আমাদের এই ফেসবুক পেজে জয়েন করবেন, কারণ অনেক খুদে খুদে শিল্পীদেরও পারফরমেন্স কিন্তু আমরা দেখাবো, আমরা দেখাচ্ছি, আপনারাও দেখতে পারবেন, তাদের আবৃত্তি শুনবেন, তাদের গান শুনবেন, তাদের নাচ দেখবেন, তাদেরকে কাইন্ডলি একটু উৎসাহ দিন। তো কাজেই আপনারা সন্ধ্যে 7টার সময় আমাদের সাথে আমার সাথে সুমনদার সাথে আপনারা রাশিয়া এন্টারটেনমেন্টের ফেসবুক পেজ থেকে জয়েন করুন। ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত গুড নাইট, বিদায় নেবো বন্ধুরা। কাল আবার দেখা হবে ঠিক সন্ধ্যে 7টায়।
गजवदनमचिन्त्यं तीक्ष्णदन्तं त्रिनेत्रं बृहदुदरविशेषं भूतराजं पुराणम् अमरवरसुपूज्यं रक्तवर्णं सुरेशं पशुपतिसुतमीशं विघ्नराजं नमामि। शिवतनयवरिष्ठं सर्वकल्याणमूर्तिं परशुकमलहस्तं शोभितं मोदकेन तरुणकुसुममालं व्यालम्बोदरं च मम हृदयनिवासं श्रीगणेशं नमामि।
माणिक्यवीणा उपलालयति माणिक्यवीणा उपलालयति मदालसां मञ्जुल वाग्विलासा माणिक्यवीणा उपलालयति मदालसां मञ्जुल वाग्विलासा महेन्द्र नीलच्युति कोमलगे मा महेन्द्र नीलच्युति कोमलाङ्गी मातङ्गकन्या मनसा स्मरामि मातङ्गकन्या मनसा स्मरामि मनसा स्मरामि मनसा स्मरामि मनसा स्मरामि
నల్లనివాడు పద్మనాయనం బొలవాడు కృపారసంబు పై చెల్లడివాడు మౌలి పాడి సంపిద పింఛమువాడు నౌ రాజల్లడి మోవాడు కాడు చెలువలమాన ధనంబు చచ్చనో మల్లియనా